Minister Jaishankar, from the Haqqanis that Geeta was talking about, I'd like to draw your attention now to Pakistan. With everything that's happened in Afghanistan, and like you said, many things are still, in movement and in flux right now. How much more complicated has it made our navigation of the situation with Pakistan? Because the perception is that the ISI has won with everything that's happened in Pakistan, and therefore the simplistic way it's been looked at is that this has been a strategic setback for India. Vis-a-vis Pakistan, how are you navigating that?
So, again, I would take the same situation and say I have to operate out of a given, a set of assumptions. I can't say I wish it hadn't been like this, or the Americans had stayed on, or they'd have gone out a different way. They've done what they've done. I have to live with it and deal with it accordingly. If you ask me, say, October 8th, is my security situation more complicated than it was on August 8th? Of course it is. But you yourself would agree with me that sometimes we all tend to make very sweeping statements or judgments or assessments. I think the picture is a little more complex, more granular than that. It's been what? It's been less than 2 months since the Taliban took Afghanistan. So, and it's quite obvious also that things are far from settled, even in Kabul. So, I would urge some patience, some deliberation, and some caution. Now, I understand. I mean, that in this day and age, that's not how media can approach it, because you people have different compulsions, different timelines, and different pressures. So we will have this gap between you and me. You will keep provoking me with very strong statements saying, okay, react to that. I'm not ducking it. I'm just introducing an element of, sort of practicality out there, and say, look, there are a lot of things, there are many things we know, there are many things we don't know. And in some cases, we will wait for the situation to play out.
Shiv is hoping that you'll bat like Virendra Sehwag. You're offering a defense like Rahul Dravid instead.
Absolutely.
And that's fine.
Yeah.
How do you see the Taliban takeover of Afghanistan impact our internal situation in Jammu and Kashmir? We've seen a ceasefire for the past several months now being broken, with terrorists being infiltrated into Jammu and Kashmir in higher numbers than recently. We've seen a spate of killings over the last few days. Are you concerned that the situation in Afghanistan complicates the already complicated situation in the valley?
Obviously, I would be concerned about what has been happening in the last few days, especially some of the targeted killings. But whether I would make that connection to what is happening with Afghanistan, I don't know. I would like to see evidence of some kind of connection there, if there is. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't. But I would obviously be concerned at some of the things which have happened in Srinagar.